Scheduled reopening of a section of State Route 85 in the Slingerlands has been pushed back now as work continues on a bridge replacement project along the Albany County Rail Trail. Now, the road has been closed between Kenwood Ave and Mullins Road since the end of last month. Officials hope to allow eastbound traffic to go through between 6 and 10 in the morning, starting at the end of August. They're working on plans to install a temporary bridge to reopen the road and the rail trail, but it's unclear when that project will be finished. Construction was temporarily halted after the bridge buckled last week. You're seeing that here while crews were pouring concrete. They still need to remove debris and pave the road and sidewalk. Cause of that collapse is still under investigation.